In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment methods in Whop. First, let's get started by logging into your Whop account. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. This is your launchpad for managing your Whop settings and features. From this central hub, the next step is to head over to your profile. Look towards the top or side of the page. You should see a section or icon labeled Profile. Clicking on this will take you to your account details and settings, where you can customize and manage various aspects of your Whop experience. In your profile settings, you'll want to locate the option for payment methods. This is where all the financial transactions and related information are managed. Clicking on Payment Methods will bring up the section where you can view, edit, or add any payment details associated with your account. Now, to add a new payment method, look for the option that says Add Payment Method. This option is usually prominently displayed to make it easy for users to find and use. Once you click on Add Payment Method, a form or prompt will appear where you'll need to enter your card details. This includes your card number, expiration date, and security code. It's crucial to enter this information carefully and accurately to ensure that your payment method is successfully added and functional. Make sure all the details are correct before proceeding. If you have any concerns about security, rest assured that Whop employs standard encryption technologies to protect your data. After double-checking that all the card details are correctly entered, you can go ahead and click to finalize the addition of this payment method. A prompt or notification should confirm that your new payment method has been successfully integrated into your account. And that's all there is to it. Adding a payment method in Whop is really that straightforward. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider leaving a comment. Your feedback is valuable and helps us improve our content. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this step-by-step guide. For more informative videos like this, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching and happy managing with Whop.